This is your December 2025 Silicon Valley Market Update. Philip Ma here with eXp Realty. Happy holidays to you. In this video, I'm going to provide an update on mortgage rates and the latest Silicon Valley real estate market data through November. Then I'm going to cover 3 case studies of sold, pending, and active listings that I've been following in this market. And finally, I'll close with some proposed next steps. Let's do this. As of the time of this recording on December 12th, the 30-year fixed rate mortgage was at about 6.22%. That's unchanged from this time last month. We did get a quarter-point rate cut by the Fed this week. At the same time, the Fed was not clearly signaling that there would be further rate cuts in early 2026. As a result, bond yields have stayed relatively flat. Now let's get into our market data for Santa Clara County and San Mateo County combined through November. The median home sale price was about flat from October to November at about $1.92 million. That was down slightly from this time last year. Average days on market increased from 25 days to 27 days, and the sale to list price ratio was about flat at 104%. On average in November, homes were selling at about 4% above the asking price. The number of sales dropped from October to November. The number of active listings also went down substantially as we got into the holiday season. The level of inventory remained flat at 1.3 months. We're still at a low level of inventory and technically in a seller's market. Now let's get into our case studies. The first case study is a sold listing of a single-family home in South San Francisco. I featured this listing last month as a pending. It has since closed escrow. It closed on November 14th. It was on the market for 19 days. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with just under 5,000 square feet of lot size. It's in the Sarah Highlands neighborhood with El Camino High School, a highly regarded high school. The list price was $1.458 million, and the final close was at $1.478 million. It closed at about 1% above the asking price. I would characterize this transaction as reflective of current market conditions as we saw in the macro data. It got into escrow in just under 20 days. It ended up closing at a little bit above the asking price. In this market, if homes are priced to sell, they will still sell relatively quickly. The second case study is a pending listing of a single-family home in the city of San Mateo. I featured this one last month as an active listing. It has since gotten into escrow. It was on the market for 33 days. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath single-family home in the Bowie Estate neighborhood near downtown San Mateo with excellent public schools. It had been fully remodeled, ready to move in with nice high-end finishes and an open floor plan. It started out listed at $1.325 million. There was one price reduction to $1.195 million. Based on feedback that I got from hosting open houses, the fact that it only had 1 bathroom was, I think, holding some buyers back. So it took a bit longer to get into contract with the one price reduction. I will let you know what the final sale price ends up being in my report next month. The final case study is an active listing of a single family home in the city of Cupertino. As of the time of this recording on December 12th, it's been on the market for 56 days. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with 1,416 square feet of living space. The lot size is 9,375 square feet. It's in the north side neighborhood that borders Sunnyvale and Los Altos. It's got excellent public schools, including Cupertino Middle School and Homestead High School. The condition, I would say, is average. It's got some updates, but not super high-end finishes. The list price is at $2.498 million. I would say I did tour this house. I would say the positives are the very large lot. It has a detached garage in the back. This could easily be converted into an accessory dwelling unit. You could rent it out for rental income, or it could be living quarters for a multi-generational living situation. Those are definitely benefits of this property. On the downside, it is bordering Highway 85, so you do get some freeway noise. There is a tall sound wall that separates the neighborhood from the freeway, so the freeway noise is kind of like white noise in the background. Let me know if you're interested in touring this property. I'd be happy to show it to you. I would think that the seller would be motivated after 56 days on the market. We can get an aggressive offer in there before Christmas and get something done. As next steps, go to the URL on the left side of this slide. It's also in the description below this video, and you can download my free seller's guide, buyer's guides, these market update slides, and other informational resources that I have. I do ask for your email address, and that's just so that I can keep you updated on what's happening in this market. You are free to unsubscribe at any time. Scan the QR code on the right side of this slide, and you'll go directly to my calendar where you can book a time for a free consultation on buying or selling a home in Silicon Valley. We'll go over what your goals are with respect to real estate and craft a strategy just for you. I'm Philip Ma with eXp Realty, wishing you a warm and happy holiday season with family and friends. I look forward to seeing you soon in 2026.
이제 못